Welcome back to another episode. So today we're going to be doing a few little bits, like odds and ends on the Polo. So I'll just show you that quick. We're changing the seats today for some Corrado ones. We're gonna tidy up the rest of the wiring from the speaker. All down here, that wire. We're going to install these new ones as well. So side repeaters. Stereo system works all good and well. Maybe give it a hoover. Now I may, depending on time, change the door. Big dent in the door. Hole. Rust. Horrible. I've also stripped off the plastics, which I need to remove as well. And again, if I've got more time, I'm going to fit the EBC brakes pads. So, doing the seats, really simple job. Unloosen them, take the washer off, nut out, and then put it somewhere safe. Then they should come out quite easy. Are you doing anything over 6 weeks over these holidays? Yeah. I'm going to throw that in the back, and then peel, and then it's proper crusty and horrible, this, isn't it? Oh yeah, I remember now. There's some things that keep the carpet down here. I'll have to twist them in a minute. Get some like pliers, unless I've got something around here I can grab them with. Let's see if I can show you. There. Just gotta twist them out. If not, can't pull. I could pull, but I don't want to break it. Right, so seats are in. Sit really nice. I've already got my seating position, so it's looking good. Yeah. Right, so that's the door fitted. Door fitted. Looking alright. All looks fine. My only issue is does this gap look really big? Let's see from the other side. It was 1 finger thick. Yeah, it's really fat. Look at that gap. I wonder where I've gone wrong here with that. No idea. Right, so today I've done the seats, I've done the wiring, I've done door, I've got these. These, which I think will look nicer. Which will look nicer on that. I'll do it on along the lines of this colour. I think they do look nice, don't they? That's what I'm going to do now. And then that's it for today. So I'll take a quick video once I've done. But other than that, thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.